Hey everybody, Jacob with Scooters Lawn Care here today. And today I have a very special topic. This topic is all about problems, complaints, issues, things that come up on people's property. Whether this be a one-time job, reoccurring maintenance, whatever that may be. What this topic, this ask is that no matter what you see it, when you see it, let us know all of the time, any concerns, any questions you have. Any problems you think that there is on a job, on a service, because between feedback, between follow-up pictures of jobs, between team members going out and doing QC of routes, we are always looking to fix problems, to fix breaks in the chain, to fix issues. And we can't do this without all kinds of means of follow-up. And your feedback is a tool that means so much to us because you're who we work with, you're who we care about, serving at the highest level. And when we see there's an issue or the way we handle something is an issue, or we see that, hey, the ball keeps getting dropped right there, because we're human. It happens to us all. We have mistakes. I forget to send an email. I forget to set an appointment. I forget something. People forget to weed eat this one little spot. People forget to spray this or that. And it's always a constant evolution as a company to continuously look for how do we eliminate that problem from the system. Hey, this has came up several times. How do we fix that? Because our team members are incentivized on several different aspects. One is being able to complete a certain amount of work a day. Two is not having callbacks and quality. Three is showing up, being here, being reliable. Those are like three big pillars of what our teams are incentivized on. And we want to always make sure that even though we have to accomplish a certain amount of work, that we have to figure out a way to maintain that with quality. It's a very big balancing act all the time. And even more so, you can understand when there's variables like weather, rain, all the different things that happen. But your feedback, the reason I'm shooting this video is when someone does call in, if they have an issue, a lot of times people are apologetic that, hey, I hate to even bring this up. I know you guys are dealing with the heat and you're working in these conditions, but I want to stress so everyone knows it doesn't matter what the conditions are. We need to know exactly how you feel at all times, and just know that we appreciate that feedback. And that's one of the tools out of all the different tools we use to check this stuff to get better. So never feel bad. Feel like if you're calling us and you're letting us know there's an issue, know that we are receptive and we want to know that. And it's a tool that we ultimately can use to make our service better for you and everyone else. And we appreciate that as a team, because our goal is to continue getting better to make a more positive impact on our whole community with all the services we offer. So thank you. And today my ask is, if there's a problem, let us know. We're going to do everything we can do to resolve that and fix that for future people just like you.